Adventure in the forest. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a brave girl named Lily. She had rosy cheeks, bright blue eyes, and curly golden hair that bounced as she walked. Lily loved exploring the enchanted forest near her home. One sunny morning, Lily decided to go on a special adventure. She packed a little bag with a water bottle, some snacks, and her favorite teddy bear named Benny. With a big smile on her face, she set off into the magical forest. As she entered the forest, Lily noticed colorful flowers blooming all around her. Birds chirped happily, and butterflies fluttered their delicate wings. It was a truly beautiful place. But as Lily ventured deeper, she heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, she discovered a tiny woodland creature named Oliver stuck in a deep hole. Oliver was a squirrel who had fallen in while looking for acorns. He was scared and couldn't find a way out. Without hesitation, Lily knelt down and stretched out her hand to help Oliver. With a little tug, she managed to free him from the hole. Oliver was grateful and thanked Lily for her bravery and kindness. Lily and Oliver became fast friends. They continued their adventure through the forest together, encountering magical creatures and solving puzzles along the way. They laughed, played, and shared stories, creating memories that would last a lifetime. On their journey, Lily and Oliver stumbled upon a hidden cave. Inside, they discovered a treasure chest overflowing with sparkling gems and shiny gold coins. But instead of taking the treasure for themselves, they decided to use it to help others in need. They returned to the village and donated the treasure to build a new playground for the children. The villagers were amazed by Lily's selflessness and bravery. They celebrated her as a true hero and named the playground Lily's Place. From that day forward, Lily and Oliver continued to explore the forest, spreading joy and kindness wherever they went. Lily's bravery and big heart made her loved by all, and she became a role model for kids in the village. And so, the brave girl, Lily, and her loyal friend, Oliver, lived happily ever after, reminding everyone that even the smallest acts of bravery and kindness can make a big difference in the world.